NordVPN is probably my favorite VPN ever, not just to review, but to use. Okay, I use VPNs a lot, and I want to show you today why I'm so excited about NordVPN in 2023. So guys, first let me just tell you what a VPN is. Okay, so VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Now, a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online. VPNs create an encrypted tunnel for all your data, protecting your online identity by hiding your IP address and allowing you to use public Wi-Fi hotspots safely. Now, please note, if you hit that link down below on vpns.net, you're going to get an incredible deal. But if you actually follow all on VPNs, you'll know we have a lot of VPN deals. But NordVPN in particular is incredible, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. When you go to the features page on the website, okay, it actually starts to tell you a little bit. So we have the threat protection, stopping malware, web trackers, ads, and other common internet threats. We have the mesh net, creating your own private encrypted network for safe file sharing, work, and LAN parties. Dark web monitor, where you get instant alerts if you discover that your accounts have been compromised. Dedicated IP, so your main net to your online reputation skips blacklists and accesses IP restricted networks. And you can stay safe with NordVPN with online security, hiding your IP, faster VPN, global coverage, multiple devices, no tracking, and much more, guys. You have secure encryption, safe when disconnecting, double VPNs with an extra layer of protection, private DNS, so enjoy more privacy online, smart DNS, and split tunneling. Guys, what I want to do now is, instead of keep boring you with all these words, all right, it's incredible, but I want to just quickly show you the servers page, all right? We are global, and if you want to see it more in depth, keep on with this video, guys. But please remember that link down below is the only way you're going to get the deal I'm going to speak about very soon. Let's have a look at how NordVPN looks. So guys, this is how it looks. Very user-friendly, all right? You can just simply go over here and choose the country of your choice. If your geography is that good, it'll highlight for you. If not, just quick connect. Once you click that, it'll just connect you to whatever country you're in. I'm in France right now, as you can see, and you are protected. But if you want to change the country, you've got all your servers down here. You can either just drag the map along, choose where you want to go. I want to go to Spain, or just scroll down here. Now, what I would say is when you're connecting to watch something like Netflix or Amazon or something like that, okay, you might just click Iceland, okay, to connect, and they might say, you know, we've blocked the IP address. All you got to do is click the dots on the right-hand side and go down and pick a different server, because they can't block them that fast. We have so many servers. And guys, you can see how fast this is connected, literally within seconds, to all the different ones, right? You're quick connecting through these different ones. Now, guys, go all the way down. If you want to see the settings for NordVPN, incredible, all right? Just go down here. You can get your mesh net settings there, where you can host your LAN parties and things like that. You got your dark web monitor, all the statistics, the kill switch I would have on. They actually have a kill switch advanced, where you got double the protection, double it. Okay, and what that stops happening is if a server goes down, for example, the one we're connected to in Iceland, if that goes down, none of your stuff is saved online. So guys, go through that, make yourself comfortable with the appearance and everything like that, but it's super easy, guys. Simply just click wherever you want to go. I want to connect to Latvia. You click on it, and guess what? I am now protected on my online browser through Latvia. We're connected to number 60, but you can connect to anything you want. So guys, please note, I'm going to take you now to the pricing side of this. You've seen everything it's got, you've seen what it looks like, but you'll be so amazed when you hit that link down below of what the price of this actually is. And you only get that hitting that link. So hit it now, and I'll see you there in a second. So once you've hit that link, guys, simply click Get NordVPN plus the gift that we're giving you. And we're giving you a month for free. Not just the 30-day money-back guarantee, you're getting that as well, but you're getting a whole month for free. So guys, it's only going to be €3.35. You're saving 59% on the most popular package, the standard, okay? And it's going to save you over $83 for the first 2 years. Now, watch this. Even if you want the plus of the complete, unlike other companies, if you hit that link down below, we're still going to give you the month free, no matter what package you use on the 2-year plan. So guys, get involved. You get everything we spoke about today for an incredible price. Let me show you what you would have got if you didn't click that link. You would have had to pay extra, and you don't get the month for free. So guys, comparing it, you're saving so much money, nearly half the money, and you're getting a month for free if you just click the link down below. Guys, it's incredible. Okay, so please let me know once you've clicked it in the comments, and let's jump straight to the summary. So guys, you have to hit that link down below if you want to get the exclusive deal we just spoke about. So please let me know in the comments if you got NordVPN, if you use that link as well, and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.